Welcome, Art Agent Specialists, to your mission inspiration for the month of December 2019.
Your list of ingredients to include, but not necessarily in order, are as follows. A. Add some texture with tissue or napkins. B. Use something wooden. C. Include an oval or circular shape, or 2 or 3. D. Use string, twine or jute. E. Add a little silver or gold. F. Include a photo of yourself or a family member. G. Add something plaid or tartan. And finally H. Include elements of lace. Your colours for the month of December are berry, wood and pine. And your words for inspiration are fir, mist, woodland, feather and gather.
And remember, this message will self-destruct in 3 seconds. Good luck.